Badink! Good. I think the guy on the TV said it was December 3-in-1 put together. I think.
31st.
And it's like 69 degrees and hot and humid as hell here in Pensacola, Florida. Hope y'all having fun in the 50 below wind chills and stuff up north. Digging this instead. House is open. Yes. Anyways, welcome back to another exciting episode. Hands on with BLG. Thought I forgot, didn't you? I'm BLG, the guy in the hat. I'm Lefty. I'm choking to death. I'm righty. It's early in the morning. I'm still choking. Sinuses. You guys ever go to Taco Bell and get the Taco Bell Enchiritos? I like Enchiritos. I usually get like an Enchirito and some hard shell tacos and a bean burrito or something. Well, turns out you can make them at home and have a lot bigger ones and stuff than you get from Taco Bell in the little thing. So, I'm going to show you how to do it. I've been doing them for years. All my friends always like them. Hey, when are you making the Enchirito things again? I've even taught a few of my friends how to make them. Now I'm going to teach you. It's easy. It's really easy, folks. Let's get down here and have a peek. Well, we got chop. Let me see if I can get you in the picture even. I'm trying to see while I'm doing this at the same time. Okay, you got chopped onions, right? You've got a pound of hamburger. You might need more. Depends how many of you there are. Refried beans, yes. You got red enchilada sauce. I've also made these with green. They still work too, or you can Christmas them. Red and green, half and half. Yes, they still work. But I'm going for the straight up Taco Bell Enchiritos today. That's your taco seasoning right there. I can't reach anything else. You got your cheese. I've got 2 great big flour tortillas for me. And look at the health food hippie old lady found these. Low carb balance whole wheat tortillas. She can have these. That's pretty cool. Instead of having to make them out of the eggs and stuff. So, without any further boo-boo, I'm bringing you over here to your favorite spot. Your little perch by the stove. Hello, and welcome back to my stovetop. Yes. You still paying attention? Don't nod off on me. Okay. Taking on the... Well, I'm going to take on this. The fan to low. I'm going to preheat the oven to 350 right there. I'm going to kick on this skillet to... Whoa, I'm going to light the skillet first. I'm going to kick this up to about 8, medium high. Right? Going to dump our onions in. Onions go in. Just like that. Yes, yes, yes. And I don't need Mr. Big Ass Knife. Onions go in. Hamburger goes in. This stuff, right, y'all? Hamburger goes in. Stew man comes out because he knows I'm in the kitchen. Hamburger goes in. This goes back in the bag and zipped and goes back in the, and goes out in the garbage. In the garbage. Goes out in the trash, man. Alright, now we need a spoon and no. Yes. Cowboy spoon comes out again. Hooray, cowboy spoon. I'm gonna bust this down like this. We're gonna myrtleize it, see? Yeah. It didn't pay back its loan in time, see? La 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 la. Gonna stir this shit up. Just like so. Just like so. Gonna stir this up. Basically what we're gonna do, and I'm not gonna make you suffer through it. I got this all chopped up and in the pan, nothing else. Nothing special about it. The fat in the burger will render out. And we're just going to brown this burger up and kind of tenderize these onions. So we'll see you back here probably in about 6 minutes when this is all browned up. Next phase, baby. We're 1/4 of the way there, believe it or not. And we're back, folks. Check it out. All nicely browned up. Simple as this. Now, I drained about half of the grease off of this hamburger. It's the cheap stuff, so it's got a lot of grease. I drained a bunch of that grease out. Left about half of it though. You'll see why. There's the oven coming up to 350. Perfect timing. We're going to add our taco seasoning mix. Any brand you want. They actually have Taco Bell mix and stuff down here too, and refried beans and stuff too. That's not what I'm using. Use what you got on hand, folks. We want to stir this taco seasoning in here. Notice once again, I am not adding water. Nope, that's what the grease is going to do. Just going to suck this up, make this a nice taco-y color. And then I'm going to take half of this out because the old lady, LAG, she can't have refried beans. So I'm going to take a little over half of this out when it gets all mixed in here. I'm going to put it in that pan over there for LAG so I can make hers. Yes, I'm making supper, and it is 7:55 in the morning. We got up about an hour ago. At 6:35. Okay. There we go. Now I'm going to take about half of this, a little over half. I'm going to put it in her side. She can have some enchiritos. And put that over there. One more. That over there. One more. That over there. See, and I'm going to keep about, maybe, I guess I'm keeping about a third of it. But that's okay with me. You know why? Watch this. I'll show you why. Because on my half, I'm adding a whole can of refried beans. Boo-ah! Look at that. Mmm, scrumptious. Good stuff. See? I'm going to hit this up, heat it up. Chop it down here if I can. Some of there, some of there, some of there. There we go. Keep going there. Sink over here. Oh God, that went everywhere. That go in the garbage. I'm going to take the spoon. I'm going to shut my heat off because I don't need it right now. I'm just warming the beans through. And I'm going to stir this. Shut up, sink. And I'm going to stir this around in here and get mine all mixed up with beef and the refried beans. Like that, see? Just like so. Now I got my beef and refried beans mixed up here. Now we do the easy part. In fact, I think I'm going to jump you back over here if you don't mind. Be a little bit easier for me to show you how to do this, you know. Let's jump you back over here. Whee! We're going to jump you back over this way. I want to put you right about cha. Right about cha. Focus right there. See it? Right there. Now, I'm going to make mine first. Because I've got mine. I've got two giant ones. You can get whatever size. See, hers are little. Regular size. This is the size we usually use. What are these, 8-inch? I think. Yeah, I think so. It doesn't say. They usually say somewhere. I'm looking. 8 count. I think these are 8-inch. These are 10-inch. These are giant. So I'm going to make mine first. What I'm going to do is take my little casserole pan. You're going to use one like this, or two of them like this, when you make a full thing of them. Because if you make them all the same, yeah, it's going to be nuts. It makes a bunch. Once again, another race day or football day. Good stuff. Potluck. Easy to make. It used to be expensive. It's not expensive anymore. I remember when it used to cost me like $28 just to make enchiritos. Now it's about, I don't know, if you have to buy everything, 12 bucks? Somewhere? Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to take some of mine. I've yapped enough. I'm going to slap a whole bunch of this in here, and right in the center, right? Just like so. Slap me a whole bunch of this in here, just like that, like so. And then you take a little bit of cheese on the inside, yes, a little bit of cheese on the inside. Some cheese up in here like that. Up on the inside, up in here. Like so. Simple as this. You take your red sauce, drizzle some of that on here, on the inside, yes, just like so. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take and I'm going to roll him up, smuck him down in the pan here, just like that. Then I'm going to take my other one, see how fast this goes? It is so fast and easy, folks, so fast and easy. I know, pardon I'm not wearing a shirt today, but I am dying up in here. It's hot. Okay, so I'm going to slather this in the middle, just like this again. Sometimes you end up with enough to make some chip dip. Today I'm trying to work it out where I'm not. Just like so. What the hell is that? Get off of me. Okay, slather some of that. Get up off of me. Okay, a little bit of cheese. Cheesy goodness goes up on here. A little bit of cheesy goodness. And a little bit of the red sauce. Red sauce up on here like that. Then we're going to roll this one up. Yes, correct. Pull him over this way. Roll him up here and tuck him in with his little brother. Just like this. See? That works out? Nice, huh? Then we're going to drizzle, slather the crap out of it all over the top. More red sauce. You can add, which I didn't buy this time, I had them last time, you can add black olives, you can add bell peppers, jalapeno peppers, you can add anything you want, peppers wise or anything to spice these up. This is just basically how you're going to get them if you go to Taco Bell. So we got that slathered, right? Now, we're going to take, I'm going to slather a bunch of cheese over the top of this. Up in here, slather, slather, cheese up on the top. Mama, look at that. Yes, this will probably be dinner for 2 nights for old BLG. 1 for each night. These are fat. Mine are anyway. There you go. That one's built. Believe it or not, done. These are done. Now, same effect. I'm going to show you real quick. I'll do one of them for you, and we'll move on from there. Okay? We'll do one of these for you. So I'm going to be rolling her up, some of them. I need to open this. I didn't cut this open. Kitchen shears right behind you, BLG. Love kitchen shears. If you don't have kitchen shears, get some. They are very cool. They help you tear into things. Just like that, see? Okay. Now, hers are going to be basically the same. Except I'm using the older ones. Like this. And see, look at these. They're pretty cool. Ugh, I can't get it open. Look at, oh God. See, they're like whole wheat or something, right? Yeah, whole wheat. Pretty cool. But these are the same, only smaller. Here we go. And they don't have the refried beans. I need another spoon. This is going to be interesting. I need a, yeah, I need a, shit, that one's gone. Maybe I can use a scoop. Scoop? Where's that? God damn it. Get out! Come here! I can use this! Okay, same effect. We're back under control, people. Don't panic. I knew you would panic too. You stop that. I'm going to put some on here. Like this. Going to put some on here. Going to put some on here. Same effect. Cheese. A little bit of cheese, if you please. On my knees. Cheese on my knees. A little bit of red sauce. Whoop. Up on the inside there like that. Roll this little bad boy up. Roll them up. Kind of tuck them in the corner. And you slap another one. And you just keep rolling them up towards each other until they're done. Just like that. And I'll be back when I get the rest of these rolled up. I'm pretty sure I will. If I can hit the right button. There you have it, folks. There's Dingo coming in. There you have it. There's mine. 2 of them, big ones. And here's 3 for the mama. Low carb, fat carb. Fat man style. Now you can imagine if you used like 2 pounds of burger and rolled up a whole, you'd make a whole mess of these. Wow. You'd have 2 pounds of burger, and in that case you would use a big can of refried beans Trust me. It'll do 2 of these big casseroles full of them. Woof. It'll feed a family of 7 easily. So anyways, here's our oven, sitting here, all happy and hungry. 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Remember, middle shelf. We're just going to set these in here like so, and like so. And they're just going to sit here until the cheese melts. That's it. So, we'll see you back here in about 10 minutes or so when the cheese gets melted. They're already cooked. We're just warming them up. The shells, the tortillas, and the cheese sauce. So we'll see you back here in 10 minutes or so. And there you have it, folks. Fresh out of the oven. Look at this. Look at that. Those are the big fat mans. Ones with the refried beans in them and stuff. And these is LAG's, the old ladies. They don't got refried beans, but everything else. And the low carb tortillas. And then what you do is you put them in your face. And then they eventually, in about like 12 hours, they'll turn into poop. Spanish poop. Yes. So, that concludes another exciting episode of Hands On with BLG. Yes, it does. I'm thinking about doing another one a little bit later. The clock. We got a clock. Can't see what time it is from the living room. See, it's really cool looking. You can see all the gears in it and stuff, but you can't see what time it is from the living room. We're going to do a hands-on episode and fix that little problem. It's not going to be too hard. I kind of looked at it. A few screws and stuff. I'll get it apart, put it back together. But not all the way apart. No, not a clock builder. But anyways, there's your episode for today. Hands On with BLG. I hope you liked it. If you did, hit that like button down there. You can click over here and subscribe, and you can leave a comment down below. Just say hello. How you doing? If you got a request for me to try to make something, hey, if it's not expensive, I'll give it a shot. The fruitcake was a request. I don't make fruitcake, but apparently feedback came back that it was really good. So that's cool. Yeah, we'll see you next time. Can't think of anything else. For now, I'm BLG. I'm Lefty. And I'm Righty. We'll see you guys back here for the next exciting episode. Hands On with BLG. Bye, y'all.